welcome to my channel Aleja, Krakow and Poland Experience. Tonight we are on the most recent galleria in Krakow, which is called Serenada, and we will observe the decoration over here. In front of the gallery you can see that there is the traditional Christmas tree. And let us just go into the gallery. So we entered through the main entrance. Opposed to other videos that I made about this, we can see that this gallery is like not very much decorated. There is some decoration, of course, but it's kind of dull decoration if we are like comparing it to other gallerias. I encourage everyone to subscribe to my channel. Of course, hit the bell button to be notified whenever I'm uploading new videos. If you like this video, you are encouraged to hit the like, put your comments on below of places and videos would you like to see in my channel. The decoration has its uniqueness, like based on stars, as it seems. There is another place where they are like putting some activities for the children. If you like this video, hit the like button. You are more than encouraged to subscribe. Wishing you all a pleasant and wonderful evening. That was Aleja from Aleja, Krakow and Poland Experience. Good night.